In this video, I'll show you the power of our thoughts and the role that it plays in our stress levels. In my last video, I talked about problem solving as a way to nip the stressor in the bud and decrease or even eliminate the stressor. Now, let's talk about our thoughts and ways to control our thoughts. If there's nothing you can do about the stressor, or you've done all that you can but the stressor is still there, there's always something you can do about your thoughts, which influence your emotions, which influence your physical reaction, which then over time influences health consequences. I don't think that many people realize the power that their thoughts have on both their body and mind. Here are a couple of good quotes about the power of thoughts. Handle them carefully, for words have more power than atom bombs. The tongue has no bones, but is strong enough to break a heart, so be careful with your words. Change your thoughts and you change your world. Words have the power to both destroy and heal. So some of these quotes pertain to the potentially damaging effects that words might have on others, but what about what we say to ourselves? Self-talk is just that. It's what you say to yourself all day. In a 2013 study in the Netherlands, scientists watched women with anorexia walk through doorways in a lab. I think they were kind of narrow doorways. The women would turn sideways to walk through the doorways, even though there was plenty of room. The researchers said that their internal representation of their body is that it's much bigger than it actually is. Neuroscientists are still trying to understand exactly how this misperception works. What we say to ourselves affects the way we see ourselves. In one study, subjects who were told that there were benefits to immersing their hands in ice-cold water did not feel the pain to the same extent as those who were told that it was bad for them. A 53-year-old man in Tokyo, Japan, suddenly fell to the ground after being assaulted by two younger men. He actually died, but he did not die from wounds from the fight, but from the stress of being in a fight. There was no physical reason that they could find as to why he died. So our thoughts definitely affect our stress levels. But what about building up emotional resilience? Learning to constantly see the glass as half full rather than half empty improves our emotional well-being, which thereby improves our ability to tolerate and handle stress. Here's an example that illustrates the glass is half full concept. There once was a woman who woke up one morning, looked in the mirror, and saw that she had only 3 hairs left on her head. Well, she said, I think I'll braid my hair today. So she did and had a wonderful day. The next day she woke up, looked in the mirror, and saw that she had only 2 hairs on her head, and she said, I think I'll part my hair down the middle today. So she did, and she had a grand day. The next day she woke up, looked in the mirror, and noticed that she only had 1 hair on her head. So she said, I'm going to wear my hair in a ponytail today. So she did, and she had a fun day. The next day she woke up, looked in the mirror, and noticed there wasn't a single hair left on her head. She exclaimed, Yay! I don't have to fix my hair today.